This is the Mitel 6920 Gigabit IP phone. The 6920 is ideal for users who require exceptional HD audio via its unique HD optimized headset. It features a large LCD color display with a port for both USB and analog headsets. Included with the Mitel 6920 is the phone base, handset cord, and line cord. Here at Atlas Phones, we have over 40,000 square feet of telecom inventory and offer same-day shipping on orders placed by 5 p.m. Each of our products include a 1-year warranty with extended warranty options available for up to 5 years. We've been helping people in business since 1998, and we hope this video helped you too. You can give us a call today at 888-567-5194 or visit our website www.atlasphones.com.